Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 14th of November, 2024. The Indian benchmark indices extended their ongoing correction phase for a sixth straight session on November 14th, with the Nifty ending below 23,550 amid selling seen in the FMCG, PSU bank, oil and gas names. At close, the Sensex was down 110.64 points or 0.14% at 77,580.31, and the Nifty was down 26.35 points or 0.11% at 23,532.70. HUL, BPCL, Tata Consumer, Nestle, Britannia were among the major losers on the Nifty, while gainers were Eicher Motors, Hero MotoCorp, Reliance Industries, HDFC Life and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of BANCO products, India, hit 20% upper circuit at 840 rupees per share on November 14th, following a stellar performance in the July-September quarter. BANCO products specializes in manufacturing and sale of heat exchangers and cooling systems, catering to both domestic and international markets. The company's product offerings play a critical role in automotive and industrial applications. BANCO products' net profit more than doubled year-on-year, reaching 138.70 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2025, compared to 66.11 rupees crore in the same quarter last year. This remarkable growth is underpinned by a 23.8% year-on-year increase in gross sales, which rose to 888.81 rupees crore from 717.91 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2024. Shares of SHILPA MEDICARE surged over 5% on November 14th after the company reported significant annual and sequential increases in both net profit and revenue for the quarter ended September. The stock has seen a remarkable 177% gain on a year-to-date basis, vastly outperforming the Nifty 50, which has risen just over 8% during the same period. The stock has posted positive monthly returns consistently since June. In Q2 financial year 2025, SHILPA MEDICARE's consolidated net profit jumped 28% sequentially and an astounding 1,014% year-on-year to 18 rupees crore. Revenue from operations rose 17.5% quarter-on-quarter and 10% year-on-year to 344 rupees crore. Total expenses for the quarter dropped by nearly 17% from the previous year to 311.6 rupees crore. The revenue boost was attributed to robust growth in emerging markets alongside licensing success in the formulation and biologic segments, with the biologics business reporting a positive net profit for the first time. Shares of PI Industries came under intense selling pressure on November 14th, plunging as much as 9% after the company revised its financial year 2025 revenue growth guidance sharply lower amid persisting industry challenges. The agrochemical company realigned its revenue growth guidance for financial year 2025 to high single-digit amidst continued global industry challenges, a sharp cut from the previous 15%. It's also worth noting that this is the second time in financial year 2025 that PI Industries has slashed its revenue growth guidance. The company had initially guided for an 18 to 20% revenue growth for financial year 2025, which was first lowered to 15% and then high single digits now. ZOMATO share price jumped nearly 5% on Thursday post-inclusion in the futures and options segment of the National Stock Exchange. The NSE announced yesterday the addition of 45 new stocks to its F&O segment, including prominent names like food delivery and quick commerce major ZOMATO, Avenue Supermarts, BSE, Paytm and key Adani Group companies, after receiving approval from the Securities and Exchange Board of India. The move has spurred buying interest among investors, as F&O inclusion is often seen as a liquidity booster for stocks. The exchange clarified that the market lot size, strike price range, and other specifics for the newly included stocks will be communicated in an official circular on November 28, a day before the F&O trading goes live on November 29. BANCO Products, India, Limited in daily time frame is trading around 839 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 359.752 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 749.57, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.51. JG Chemicals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 397 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 473.9 for 7,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 355.76, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 59.38. Dishman Carbogan Amsis Limited in daily time frame is trading around 212.53 points with a change of 18.8% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.483 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 192.07, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 63.07. For the stock recommendation we have, Asain Prudential Life Insurance Company Limited looks good and can be bought at 694 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 675 rupees and a target of 715 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.